Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Here on my channel, I like to tidy on Tuesdays, so that is what we will be doing today, and we will be continuing on in my kitchen. In my kitchen, I am going through one cabinet or one drawer at a time, taking everything out, going through it, seeing if I have anything to declutter, cleaning it, putting it back in, and then doing something, and then doing another cabinet or drawer the next week. Today, I'm actually doing a whole bank of drawers. They are very tiny drawers. It just for space. When I designed this kitchen, I just had like this much space and I wanted to utilize that space. So I put a bank of little drawers. So I'm going to be cleaning out those, and I'm going to clean out a drawer that I keep my dish towels in. So let's get busy doing that.
Every step forward is another add-on. Through every break and fall, we need to stay strong. And as time goes by, we get settled in our ways. No matter how hard we try, the feeling stays. You get right through my shield, like raindrops on a field. You pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Wherever there's love, there's bound to be strains. We push on through the rain. I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live again. Throw it all at me. Spark hit the golden child. We both know who is right, through the screaming and the wild, through all the tears and all the pain, the late night deliberations. You know I'd do it all again. Yeah, I do it all again. You get right through my shield, like raindrops on a field. You pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Wherever there's love, there's bound to be strains. Oh, we push on through the rain. I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live again.
If you are new to my channel, I want to take just a moment and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior. I love to provide lots of homemaking content here on my channel, and I would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family. I am currently focusing on progress over perfection, which I think is something we could all use a bit.
chance. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now.
So I want to show you some of the things that I found to either relocate or declutter. I do have these towels. They're like paper towels that you can use more than once. I got them from Grove Collaborative, and I actually use these for cleaning, so I'm going to store these with my cleaning supplies. So this is a relocate pile. For decluttering, I do have this. It is some plastic wrap. I actually had 2 of these, and I do not need to because this is from a grocery store that I do not even shop at anymore, and I have not shopped there in like 10 years. So obviously I do not use plastic wrap that often, so I think it's safe to go ahead and get rid of this one. And then for dishcloths to wash dishes with, I did find this one that I am going to go ahead and let go of. It was one of my favorites back from do you remember this decorating time? In kitchens when everybody had the grapes and the wine glasses. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter this one. I kept it because I really liked the colors. I like the green and the yellow and the red, but I do not use it anymore. I forgot it was in there until I pulled it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter this one. Along with that, I am decluttering this dish towel. It has like coffee mugs on it. Again, something I did not realize I even had, so I'm going to declutter it. Then I have these that I'm going to declutter. I ordered these from Grove, and I actually really like these. I like the texture of these. I had 8 and my drawer was just too full. So I went ahead and condensed that down to 4 of this particular type. So I will be decluttering these as well. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I know this video was short, but sometimes short is sweet, and I did manage to find some things to declutter in those tiny little drawers. And let's just face it, life is chaotic, life is busy, and it is so easy to get stressed out over a task when it seems like you have so much to do. And here in the kitchen, breaking down, cleaning out the cabinets and drawers into one at a time has really helped me so much. And I only have my 1 cabinet left in this kitchen. So together we have gone through every cabinet in this kitchen, and we have decluttered a lot. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope this video motivated or inspired you in some way, shape, or form. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Love you guys. Bye-bye.